Mr. Alexander Vedyakhin, my friends, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all, on behalf of the Government of India and the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. It gives me great pleasure to address the International Conference on Artificial Intelligence and Data Analysis. India strongly believes that technology is for inclusion and sustainable development. Digital India, which is a flagship program of the Government of India, has the vision of transforming India into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy. The combination of emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, Internet of Things, and the innovation along with it have shown tremendous potential for sustainable development and growth of new, effective and easily adoptable smart solutions to the problems that common people face in this society. The recent use of technology and innovation during the COVID-19 pandemic showed how innovation with technologies like AI and big data can be used for effectively screening patients, monitoring the outbreaks, predicting where the pandemic would strike next, tracing the cases, and assessing the risks associated with the pandemic. Indian tech startups are already developing and taking advantage of the humongous potential created through the emerging technologies. It has seen the emergence of 60 plus unicorns and India is now the third largest unicorn hub globally. Next wave of transformation will be brought by developments in the field of artificial intelligence. Our commitment is to leverage AI for inclusive and empowerment of ordinary citizens. We have also seen in India the power of public digital platforms. The success of public digital platforms like Aadhaar, which is an identity platform, and Unified Payment Interface, which is a financial technology platform, in transforming the digital development are known all across the world. For the purpose of leveraging AI in transforming key sectors, we are now working towards developing more such digital public platforms. Having the vast data of 1.3 million people and managing it in a very responsible way, India is today seen as a data analytics engine of the world and a global supplier of digitally skilled services. I wish my friends from Russia great success in this partnership. In fact, India and Russia have enjoyed a unique relationship. The AI journey will also be a precursor to the resounding success of innovations that India and Russia will bring together to the fore. I am particularly keen to see the promising brilliance of the Indian and Russian students. This conference on artificial intelligence and data analysis will create new solutions and will bring new opportunities to encourage an inclusive digital growth. I wish this event a grand success. Thank you very much.